Yeah, I got a mask on. But we're out here at Good Luck Stables.
Yep.
We're gonna go for a horsey ride today. And they've got some dogs and other animals that we can look at and pet.
That's Jake, and that's Zoe.
There's Jake over there. There's Zoe.
And I gotta go round up the horses real quick. So give us a couple minutes and then.
Oh, take your time. Take your time.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not supposed to be here till 3, so.
Yeah.
And there's the goats over there. And oh look, speaking of old goats, there's my wife.
And here's my best friend Zoe, the sheep. Look at that.
That was close, huh?
Oh, that is so close.
Well.
Yeah.
Beautiful, warm day today. Probably about the mid-60s. Light breeze.
Do they think they're polar bears or what?
It's beautiful out here. Is he fluffy?
Oh my goodness, feel that. And they got some sheep friends, goat friends. There's a sheep, there's a goat.
Yep. Here's a view of the sheep and the goats, and the dogs are barking at me. These two little cuties here. Whoop, don't want to get that on video. Really, is that your opinion of it? I don't know if y'all saw that, but that one stood there and just pooed at me. There's another one in there. Hey, boy. He's a big fluffy boy, ain't you? Coming up with some horses. I'm doing great. I said I'd bring my camera next time.
Okay.
This is going to be fun. This is a beautiful day.
Leo's particular.
How about the big one?
Leo, he doesn't want it. He just.
Oh, that's Leo.
He wants
She got him eating out of her
it.
hands.
And then if you want to give them some,
Oh, no, I'm good.
then Leo, Allie. Allie is the mother of Hope. They named Hope that because I think she is the only one that has survived through both births.
Oh.
But and then hopefully they one of these alpacas gives birth to another baby. Gives birth to a baby alpaca.
Oh, wow.
And now these guys over here to see the new cow.
Suburbs of the nation's capital.
Look at this little guy.
DC.
Yeah, Alexandria, the suburbs.
Yeah, where I used to live before I moved out. Before I moved close to here, I used to live out in Martinsburg.
Hey, little one.
And then down here, Missy.
Watch
Ah,
your stuff.
yep.
You got boots on, it don't really matter, but you guys got sneakers on.
Yeah.
Get them dirty.
Yeah, well, I got my grass cutting shoes, so they're already discolored.
I got my wear them all the time shoes.
This is a donkey, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the mini Jerusalem. I think it's, I'm not really sure, but my dad says it's because of the cross on the back.
Oh,
Oh, I wonder. That makes sense. Do you get them?
look at that cross there. There you go.
And this little one over here is...
That's Lady Bell. And then down here,
There's Lady Bell.
we got her just last week.
Oh, this is cat.
Yeah. And then we got 30 more chickens.
Little one.
Chicken.
That's oh, the little ones over there were then these guys.
We're having you guys for supper. What do you think about that?
If you might have met the white one last time you hit a traveler, he sadly passed away.
Oh,
Missy, come here, girl. I think she's afraid of me because I gave her a
Yeah.
bath yesterday.
I know.
What
I
did
could
you
just.
do to her yesterday?
We gave her a bath because if you can look, she's got a bunch of mud and nail on her legs. This is where we got her from.
Aww.
And you guys have been up the hill before, right?
Yeah.
Up the hill? Up the hill over across the road?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, we
I
rode.
love that. I love that trail ride.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. I haven't been on that one since last year.
I will not give you a bath. I know better than to give you a nice bath.
Oh, she's just really scared around people because she's still a cat.
And my cat would shred us if we tried to bathe them. It's like, no, they got tongues. They can
Oh, we
bathe themselves.
tried to bathe. We tried
Cats?
to bathe my cat.
Look at
I hope you have some heavy gloves.
Oh, I guess they're now let loose. Now we got it in here, accounting those and the rooster and chicken in there. We have a total of 60 chickens.
I want to
that's
breathe.
about. Hey guys.
Y'all catch that? They got a total of 60 chickens and a big old turkey back there. Ah.
3 peacocks.
Oh
colorful
my!
one.
Look at that.
The African flea. Is what my dad says sometimes. The guineas. Those
And guinea hens.
Yeah, guinea fowl, as some people call them.
They got some cool looking feathers over
And
there.
then if you guys, if
Oh, there
they're
he
done
is.
packing up the horses you guys are riding, do you guys want to head back?
Okay. We can do that.
Yeah. 'Cause
Are you ready, Lisa?
Yeah.
Cool.
Do we see all the little animals?
by the way, I
No.
hadn't got your guys' name. What?
We're waiting to start.
Look out.
Yeah. I think he's giving me his death stare.
Oh, I did it.
My teacher jokes that she's, or my friends joke that he just got a death stare sometimes. Then we get in trouble.
Yeah, it's recording. You got it. You did it right. Lisa, come here.
And
Selfie.
I'm not sure if you guys were here, when you guys were here last time, but
Hope y'all can see this. I got the chest mount going. And Lisa's way up there. Getting adjusted for her. This is the first time I use a chest mount, so we'll see how it comes out.
Now, we wear the same pants because both of our belly buttons are exactly 3 feet off the ground. So even though he's 4 or 5 inches taller than me, his legs are the same length as mine.
Yeah, I got a long torso, long arms, big hands, big feet, short legs.
So whenever we go to work out, I just follow him, and he sets all the machines up.
Let's try that. Can you stand up just a little bit? You feel okay? Okay. I'll bring him out, get some sunshine on things a little bit.
And there she goes.
and I'm bringing you up for you.
Okay.
Easy, easy. Do you know how to neck rein? He does neck rein.
You what?
He knows how to neck rein, hold in one
Yeah.
Okay, yours had to go up, wings need to go down. So there's a general rule, it'll go like this. It should come to your armpit, and you're not quite as tall as me, but we're still.
Well, like I said, I got
Short there.
long arms and short legs. By my arm span, I'm supposed to be around 6'2", and I'm 5'8".
Oh, yeah. And the young lady was riding in here, has a leg that's 2 inches shorter than the other one, so they weren't
Oh,
even
my.
anyway. There it goes.
Let me grab
You always
water
gotta
for you.
remember to get these nice like that. Maybe grab some juice boxes. We'll be healthy ride today. Okay?
Yes, sir. I just want to. I
Grab
have to
some
grab
juice boxes and throw them in. Okay.
I see y'all have been doing a lot of rides.
Oh yeah, we sure have.
I catch you post on Facebook. It's like, all right, they're doing another ride.
Some days we're so busy doing rides, I don't get a single picture.
All right, big guy. You ready for me? Come on, foot, get in it.
So, let's see how we did. We stand up a little bit. Okay, are they too short?
Oh, that feels good. Right there.
I'm
Ooh.
going to move your knee back and tighten his girth a little bit. I'm going to take your foot out and move your knee back. There you go. He does tend to hold his breath just a little bit. And I want to start off loose. Hey, buddy. Yeah. There we go. Oh, you're holding your breath again. Oh, no.
Don't you hold your breath.
Yeah, yeah.
Breathe.
Mm-hmm. Okay, there you go.
Breathe, it's fun.
Let's check her breath one more time. Yeah, let's give her just a little bit of a push. We got time.
So I gotta point my camera down a little bit. On a bike you sit forward, on a horse you sit back a little bit. Besides, he's tall. Yeah.
Okay, all set. I'll let you follow them down. Nice and easy. I'll get you down on horse and we are with you. Go follow him down. That's it. Come on.
Go ahead.
Good heel there.
Here we go. All right. Starting to feel good. I'm taking this flip-flapping mask off.
Yeah, you can take your mask off on the horse.
Good. I like breathing. Hi. Oh, you like breathing too? Yeah.
Maybe outside, the Matthew gets down here. You can walk him around. Enjoy.
Yeah, you just follow Lisa's butt. Okay, I'm going to shut this thing off right now until the ride starts. Well, I guess you can say the ride kind of started, but the ride. Anyway, we'll be back. Whoa! Whoa! Hold on. Bless you. Looks like we're about ready to start our ride. This is going to be fun. Bless you.
Good height. Correct. Okay. Bye.
All right.
Half around. Taylor will be ready and we'll all get ready.
They're following close to you. They know where.
They know what the deal is. They've done it enough.
Who the leader is.
I mean, you guys are out in the snow and in the middle of winter and everything.
Yeah.
So we can take a Misty.
Yeah. Kind of shy. Okay, up the hill we go.
Yay.
Now,
Yeah, get up the mountain without going up the road.
important to
They're doing switchback.
No, we're going to go straight up from here.
Yep.
Well, I think it's,
They're following the ridge.
I was just getting points to go straight up that way, but yeah, we're going.
We're going to do switchback coming down.
Okay, lean forward. Lean forward, Wayne. Hold on. Up we go. You can do it. Come on now, I don't weigh that much.
Oh my goodness,
I'm in
is
a
this a
hurry.
race or what?
Oops.
Hello, race.
Oh, they got me on an uphiller.
Yeah.
Whoa, let Lisa in front. All right. I'm still on my horse. All right. That was just a little hill. No kidding.
Well, that was because we had to do it. If you've ever heard of Jaguar Drive, going out towards Lansing,
Ah.
practice off there.
Yeah, you
There's
told
a
me.
big hill.
I forgot
Ah.
It's fun.
All right, well, we made, oh, my camera's turned. Oh, flumped them. Okay, I must have bumped the camera. It's a little bit askew, but we'll see how the footage comes out. Well, I don't know about stars. I mean, I've got like 1,800 subscribers. It's a small channel. Oh yeah.
Leather client. And then he showed us a picture of something that had done that while watching the YouTube. And then it's like, and then he asked, what channel are you watching? Oh, and it was Wayne's channel. So
Yeah.
he was watching him, they stuck on in leather.
One of my 1,800 subscribers.
He actually wrote
He did. That was beautiful.
It's just like the stuff the wind makes. It's like.
Well, I do, you know, explain what I'm doing to people, and this is the way I do it. But it's going to be more hiking, biking, camping videos coming up here. Horseback riding videos.
We always do the parade. It's been a while.
Yeah, they didn't have it last year. Hold on. Oh, check out the little blue car.
It's all good. It's just 2 days.
We're at Mosey speed now. Oops. Come in.
Well, how you guys doing? A good hour riding it?
No, I had a great hour of riding it. Oh, they're great.
It's cheating time. It's time to head back, right?
Whoops, I gotta get my mask out.
Okay, let me hop off my video and you get that.
We're going in.
I don't kick nobody in the head, right?
Okay. Never mind me, I'm putting my mask back on.
Yeah, you wanna hop down and read the block over here? Block up to you.
No, not yet.
Okay, this foot stays in, please.
Whoop.
Yep. there
Yeah,
you go,
yeah,
Wayne.
this one comes off.
Yep, round the back. Come down.
And you're out once you get done as well.
There you go.
All right.
You always wanna get off on the,
I'm the one.
Back them up and put them where it's
I'll call you the year.
horse says we keep everything the same, so it goes to the left side.
Yeah, exactly. So whatever he prefers. How you doing? Good. How are you?
Okay,
So that's how right foot
Oh,
goes
yeah.
down.
Yeah.
Sit out behind the saddle, get me on my shoulders if you need to. Put that down, there you go.
Okay, I feel something there.
There you go.
Hey. Yeah, she's down.
Adam now. Wobble, 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 wobble. I want to go get the apples and the carrots. I'll be right back.
Leave me your flashlight. I'm gonna need it. That was the horse ride for today. Beautiful day for it. I know I keep saying that, but well, because it's true. We'll see how this footage comes out, and if it came out okay, I'm gonna go ahead and edit it and post it. Lisa over there has got some goodies for the horses. And they were sweating, so they need a bit of a bath.
Yep.
He was a sweaty boy.
Tends to sweat more than the other ones do.
What do you got there? You got. Ooh, an apple.
Yeah, you can give him.
That's-
You want me?
You do it.
Okay, can I give him his apple now? While you're doing that?
To get his girlfriend. right,
Yeah,
Joe?
try to stop him.
Uh-oh. He dropped his apple. Oh no. Quick, stuff it in his mouth. There he goes.
Last time, because it just took a big bite out of it,
Uh-huh.
and then turned it.
Oh no, he dropped it again.
And Charlie was rolling in the hay down there.
You can't hold your apple.
Oh, chicken Chinese water.
Baby. Oh, and
There
who do
she's
we
back
have
up.
here?
Diesel.
Got diesels out and about.
Ooh, he's all sweaty too.
We'll burn them all out.
Does he want?
Oh, yeah. Diesel's a dainty little eater.
Usually he doesn't eat apples. That's good. He's
Oh.
usually the carrot guy.
You gotta care for him?
Really? Well, I tell you what,
It's baby carrots, Dad.
they're just babies.
Yeah, it's,
Are
it's
these
for
good?
the bigger horses. No, it's more for the goats.
Oh.
Yeah, because no, I wouldn't do it because they can choke on those.
Okay, so
Oh.
More water, or how you doing
it's
there?
the goats are like the little apples. Somebody was telling me that the horses like the little apples.
The
You
little
want the
carrot.
rest of your little apples?
Yeah, they do better with the bigger carrots broken in half.
Ah.
I'm surrounded.
Robin,
What?
remember?
Yeah,
No.
come on, Taylor.
That movie?
Karate Kid.
Karate Kid?
Okay.
Rob on,
Wax,
Rob on.
wax on, wax off.
I'm like,
Okay, where's the soda? Oh, what happened to those horses?
Looks like they got owies.
Yeah,
Nosy owies.
some bridle sores?
I don't know. Oop.
yeah, those two are not quite as friendly as the rest of them.
Do they have like bridle sores or?
They do. They were here last time? No, I don't think they were they? They've been here about 5 months.
No.
They came here. This is the mother, and this is the baby.
Oh.
That's being rude right now. They're not supposed to be rude. And anyway, so
Yeah, I
she's
know. Well, I
about-
didn't bring them any apples. I'm out
She's
of apples.
about 15 years old, and when she had the baby, they stopped riding them, turned them out in this huge pasture, fed them 2-3 times a day every day, and didn't handle them. So they learned to be rude.
Oh,
They've each lost over 350 pounds since they've been here.
wow.
So now they're in good shape and learning their manners and somewhat.
Yeah,
They're never going to be quite as nice as my guys, but they can be okay some days, huh?
Yeah.
We've been putting medicine on there. They actually left halters on and they grew into them and
Oh.
so but they're starting to heal pretty good. So we got some special medicine for them.
Yeah, every morning we watch episode of Pit Bulls and Parolees, and yeah, we've seen a lot of those kind of sores where they just leave chains on the dogs and they can't even hold
Yeah,
their
the,
heads up
the
anymore.
skin grows
and,
over the chain.
and they just
There's this medicine called
people are
New Stop,
mean.
and it actually helps the hair grow back even in bad cases like that. So
New what?
New Stop.
New stock. Yeah, I use the stuff called New Skin for
very
chasing.
similar.
It is really good.
Ah,
Let's go
there's
get some
Cybers and Cheyenne. Huh.
Cypress and
Yeah.
Cheyenne. Aw,
Yeah. So she's never been ridden. She
really?
may never be ridden either.
That's okay. That's okay.
I won't be in a hurry to hop on her. She's actually leaving later in the month, so I'm finally going back to the new home.
Oh, good. So you're kind of a rescue.
We can be. Yep.
Does the sheriff ever call you and say, "Oh, I'm putting this guy in jail. Would you come get his animal?"
Yes, but we go through animal control. So.
Okay, animal control. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. They have to have first dibs, you know? So.
King Untied Showdown and
Yeah, they didn't go very far.
Oh, he's got those little twofer things.
Yes.
Yeah, you get the.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Hey, Bubba. Did you get Bubba?
I didn't get Bubba. You can
Take
get
a picture
Bubba.
of Bubba. No, take his picture.
I got Bubba on video.
Oh, good. I didn't see Bubba before. I just saw him. Okay. It's like, that seemed a little rude to me, but okay.
I'm trying the old point my chest at him technique.
Oh, yeah, baby. That's a
vaccines, and then instead of feeding them out of hand, just let you go.
Hey, get off the
Jenny!
leg.
Hold on.
Hey.
There we go. That's
Real
what that
quick.
ball is for. He's like, what? I'm thinking that's what that ball. I'm starting to think that's what the ball is for. Distract them while you can get out.
Yeah.
Oh, heavens, yeah. I could do that.
Yeah, cause I prefer them. What's that camera for?
Hmm?
The camera on your chest.
What? It's a SJ4000.
Alright. What do you use it for?
Oh, hiking, biking, stuff like this.
This one wants one.
Um,
Should I give him one? Or is that
a lot of times I can just.
I like him.
I never used a chest mount camera before.
Kyle.
Oh my goodness.
I'm trying to make sure
They're pretty aggressive. Oh, Daisy!
Okay. Oh, wasn't that one?
Fling it at him.
That's a big one. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and fling them.
Swing them. My chest too.
Oh, look.
Ah, wait, not that one.
How about that one?
They're paying no attention to that.
What? Silently hear it hit the ground.
Huh? Huh?
There they go.
Oh, okay. Oh, the dog's going after it.
Oh my goodness. I didn't know dogs did that.
Oh, he just saw something.
What's his name again? I don't know. Jake. I'm gonna come up with it about 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm out.
It's gonna pop up and hey,
Okay.
I'm outdoors. I'm breathing.
Oh, you got that. Okay. No, put that one. Yeah, we're getting a bunch of those. For some reason, some of them aren't recyclable and some of them are. We go through a lot of whipping cream.
Yes, we do. And why is that, Lisa?
Because I'm married to you.
Because somebody likes it. Okay.
Okay, well, thank you guys. It's a pleasure seeing you guys again. We'll keep in touch, okay?
I know. I
You
know.
guys have a wonderful
I'm
day.
sure we'll be back.
Okay.
Can I go pit stop before you start driving?
I'm good, actually.
You guys want to learn to ride more, or are you guys comfortable with what you're doing?
Yeah, we like to follow. We're never going to get really that good at it.
Because horses like to trot and run up hills, which we can stop them from doing that. But if you want to practice trotting in the rain and stuff like that,
In the rain?
in the rain,
How come you?
In the ring.
in the rain.
In the ring. What about it?
You have it.
Yes, I do. It's right here.
Uh-huh.
Well, I do need to make a
So,
Oh.
so if your horse trots on the trails, you're accustomed to it and not,
That might
we
be
do
fun.
like to build confidence and trust in everything instead of have people get scared out there is what it is, you know?
Yeah.
You know? But as long as you guys are comfortable walking, we can do that too, you know? Okay.
I'm just thrilled doing what we're doing.
Okay, sounds good.
Quite honestly.
They were not out to push things, you know? People want different things out of it.
But you know, maybe one day
Uh-huh, okay. So-
we'll be like, yeah, let's go for it.
And maybe we can just do a little demo of how they move and what we
Yeah.
have to do to be going faster and stuff like that before we push them into something you don't want to do, you know?
Mhm.
Okay? Okay, good to see you later.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Accidentally push a button there. Well, I guess that pretty much wraps it up for today. I'm outdoors. I'm allowed to breathe. It's when you're indoors that you got to put your mask on. But out here, nah. Don't need no stinking mask. So anyway, unless we come back, that's it for this time around, and we'll see y'all next time.